around 10 p.m. and I'm starting off the vlog on Tuesday night. I'm currently doing laundry at this hour. Yes, I need to put this into the dryer over there, and I'm gonna catch up with you guys. Why is my brush broken? It doesn't brush my hair because like it gets stuck in here. Hey, so it's currently 12 and I finished my homework for today and tomorrow. I was grinding and then I cleaned my room because I thought it would be a good idea to show you guys like my updated room kind of. It's definitely different from, well, I would say it's slightly different from the beginning of the year because I did change a little bit, I guess, not too much. And you guys probably have noticed from like little bits of my videos, but I thought it would be cool to show you guys updated one. Yeah, so let's get started. As usual, we have a door here and I still have my shoe rack and everything here. And mirror. So what's really different is this bed. Basically, it was like way up here. It was super high and I had a couch down there. But I lowered it because I actually fell off the bed while I was sleeping because I took out the bar on the side and then I like actually fell off the bed. It was very painful, so I lowered it and now I have just 2 drawers down here, just like food and random stuff, and a printer and my broken ottoman. That's my laundry basket. Then what's also different is that I had these lights under my bed on top of the couch, but I decided to put it here and it's kind of like slanted because my outlet is right there. So yeah, but it's all right. And this was actually over here, but I made it go over here and it looks quite nice. And then this little guy, I just recently got it for my birthday gift from Kevin, who filmed my 3 mini lookbook. He's a good friend of mine and he really knows me well. Like, he knows I'm into interior design and stuff, so he got me this and I've always wanted it, but Urban Outfitters sold it for like 50 bucks and I couldn't afford it, so yeah, it's such a cute gift. I know I'm supposed to untangle this, but as of now I don't want to untangle it just yet. And I put my perfume and my Saint Laurent lipstick. It looks quite good. I just have a purse here because I don't have anywhere to put it. And this little guy, my VSA Big got it for me. I just have a running clementine and a water filter. Then here it's still the same, and here as well. Currently FaceTiming my friend Nancy. I still have this like photo grid, but oh wait, did my Polaroid just fall out? So I literally stuck a Polaroid here. Did it? Oh my god. I found it, guys. I also found 2 lost hair ties that is covered in dust. That's disgusting. Anyways, this was literally here and it fell off. And the rest of the room is still the same. Oh, Ara also lowered her bed. Oh yeah, and over here, it's still the same as well. Yeah, I took back home a lot of the clothes because it's no longer winter. And this is still the same. Of course, today I got Dunkin' Donuts in medium. Oh, Nancy, want to say hi? Nancy, do you want to say hi to my vlog? My vlog. Wave.
Okay, hold on.
You can just wave at my vlog. It's filming.
Oh, wow.
I also have an exciting news. So I am going to walk on a runway for our school fashion show, and which is tomorrow on like Thursday 8 p.m. and I'm super excited, but I'm also very nervous. I have two looks. One is from boutique and one is from a student designer, and they say that like my outfit and this finale girl outfit is the best, so I'm like super like proud to present this look. And so I have a rehearsal tonight for 3 hours and a rehearsal tomorrow, and I'm getting my makeup and hair done and the show starts. So I'm beyond excited, and hopefully I can get some footage tonight. I know we're not supposed to film and release it because before the show at least, but by the time this goes up it's probably gonna be after the show anyway, so I'm gonna film it. It is such a beautiful weather. I just went to the post office to drop off some items that I sold on Depop. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm gonna show you guys around. Look how clear the sky is.
Thank you. Welcome back to my project.
What is up with our bio class?
Esteemed colleagues.
Hey guys, so I'm back from my bio class. Bio class today was very interesting. I hate bio with burning passion, but today's topic was quite interesting, and the movie that we watched was quite good, and it did very good job explaining what was happening in the body and stuff. So that was that, and it's currently 4 and I have an hour and a half to get ready, like take a shower and get ready for the rehearsal today. And before the rehearsal though, I have a quick 30-minute extra credit opportunity to go to, but yeah, I don't have that much time, so I'll catch up with you guys later. Okay guys, so I got ready really fast. The makeup looks really light on my face. My foundation is a little bit lighter than my actual skin tone, but that's all right. Here is the outfit. This top is from H&M. I got it a while ago, like beginning of the year. And then the skirt is from Madewell. And then these over-the-knee boots are from Nordstrom BP. Okay, I'm at this extra credit opportunity thing, and look how fancy these snacks are.
I don't know.
Practice.
I mean, I assume we can.
Yo, this is so cool. Wait, that's actually longer than I expected.
It's so foundation, bronzer, highlighter, like everything.
She is so focused. Good morning. It is Thursday, 8:30. Gotta get ready for class. Bumming outfit today. Yeah, I just didn't feel like dressing up because I only have one class today. Champion hoodie, Champion customized shirt from New York, and Nike shoes. Nike shoes, Nike pants. Oh, Daniel Wellington. Seriously debating if I should get Dunkin' coffee or not. I have 30 minutes. Hey! Okay guys, so it's currently, oh, I don't have a watch on me. Currently like 1:15, and so I have like an hour and 15 minutes before my call time for the show. So I just took a shower. I just dried my hair, but it's still like somewhat wet enough so I can like get them a little bit curly, because my designer wants it like naturally curly. So I'm gonna try this braid thingy. Curl waves. So I like suck at braiding, but it's hopefully going to work out. Okay, I have no idea what I just did, but hopefully that will make it somewhat naturally curly enough. On my way to the call time.
Is that here?
Yep, I'm lost.
It's right here. Yeah, my eyes are like the same way when it comes to fake lashes. Like I can't. Like I can only do like the little end.
Need my hairstylist.
My eyes will start to water and it looks like I'm like crying. It's terrible.
Yeah. Meet our designer. My hairstylist. I'm the other model. This vlog is gonna be a mess. Got a grilled cheese. Got some coffee. Is your order coming out?
My order is coming out really soon. He said it was coming and I'm really scared. So I want it to come now. I'm a hungry girl. Girl.
What is your verdict? Find the defendant guilty. The deadly narcotic.
Thanks for coming out to my show. Only, what is this?
It's a me.
What is it?
Keep it a secret.
I don't follow that stuff. The show is over. You're not an F-boy, you're wholesome. Stop!
To boomerang this. I was
Host
trying to get a boomerang with
the walk.
no, not the walk. The light bulbs.
Oh.
I was gonna do something with it. Right when I was doing it, they turned it off. So I didn't get it.
I bought him ice cream for cups. Oh wait, what am I saying? I bought him ice cream because he came to my show.
Quick, boomerang on the vlog.
I don't know. And I got chicken fries as usual and a peach drink.
I covered up.
Hey guys, so it's like 12 a.m. right now and I came back to my dorm after some food and talk with my friend Kevin. So the show is over and I'm extremely sad that it's over because it was really fun. I met great people. I loved my designer. She was so sweet and her design was amazing. Not gonna lie, I think her design was the best and I was so honored to like wear that garment and, you know, walk down the runway. I was so honored. Yeah, I don't know. I'm really sad it's over. I'm really sad. But yeah, I'm going to wash up and go to sleep because I have classes tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Can you listen to this music?
Dude, our teacher's fucking hardcore.
Bam, that should hit you immediately. The L value maximum for any form.
So after lunch, I kind of fell asleep. Just woke up, but I have homework to do, so I'm gonna get some coffee, get Dunkin', and then do my homework and also take a shower and stuff like that. My mascara is like I did some makeup today, but my mascara is water resistant, so like, but it keeps leaving like the under eye mark, and it's very annoying. But it's alright. Okay, so let's get coffee.
Carry over.
Thank you.
Beginning.
Guys, it is almost 2 a.m. For some reason, I thought it was a good idea to go to Walmart in the middle of the night with my friends. So that's what happened. I just got some groceries. Yeah. Okay, so today I basically did nothing, so I didn't really vlog. I took a fat nap because I was really tired from yesterday, I guess. So yeah, tomorrow I don't have any plans so far, but we shall see. Good night. Good morning. It's like 8:30 a.m. So tired. Well, not really. I slept enough, I think, but I don't feel like getting out of the bed. My breakfast today is eggs steamed with like spam in it because I just had leftover spam, and then this drink, it's called V8. It's a vegetable juice and I really like it, so yeah, that's my breakfast.
We don't have very long.
What is your verdict? Find the defendant guilty. The deadly narcotic. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you've got to get a hold of yourself.
So currently I'm looking for like summer jobs. I have a bunch of tabs open, and then I also print out a calendar, trying to plan out my summer. So fun stuff. This is my dinner. I got quinoa, pasta, salad, and honeydew. I always get this mixed up, but it looks so good. It's 8:30. And I'm heading to a cafe called Dietz to study with my friend. Yeah.
Did you get coleslaw?
They ran out.
They ran out of coleslaw?
Yeah, I want coleslaw. Hi, Kevin.
Don't look at my dark shirt.
Wait, okay.
That looks pretty good.
That was
I've never
good.
had that before. I really like the panini.
Hey guys, so it's like 1:30 a.m. right now. So today was basically just like doing homework day, so it wasn't all that interesting. But yeah, that concludes my entire week. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!